Hello again, everyone. We're at the Shops at Belle. If you go to the G Tower at Rama 9 Station, you can take this little golf cart thing here. And there's a couple of these pawn shops opening up all over the place. It's a Japanese place called Treasure Factory. So there's one that's going to open up at in Bang Na, apparently. But anyways, on Friday and Tuesdays, you can buy and sell stuff. Got a couple old bags that someone gifted to us. So they, high-end stuff. So someone gave me some Prada bags a while back. I'm not going to walk around with a Prada bag. So it's okay. So you usually have to drop off your stuff. I have no idea what these cost when they're new. This thing is missing the shoulder bag. So I don't expect too much from that one. This looks kind of old also. And then I have a old Lumix camera that I don't see. It's got a scratch in it, but it does work. So basically you drop off the stuff, they give you a little receipt, you come back later, and then they'll tell you what they're going to give you. Okay, so I'll show you the shop here. Let me show you. So everyone's dropping off their high-end bags here. If you want to buy some discounted premium bags and shoes, apparently. Jacket. Get their watches here. I never actually see any expensive watches though. I think people would go to a real watch store to sell real watches. So the inventory here is always changing, by the way. Always people dropping off stuff. I think there's a lot of transient residents here, so if you want to get a bunch of plates, housewares, in particular like appliances, you don't have to go buy new stuff. This is really like a handbag heaven. Also baby stuff, babies are always outgrowing their stuff, so you might as well come and get some used things. yeah, appliances. I think I gotta start remembering to buy appliances here. I don't need a fancy toaster. Speakers. And this store always has a lot of guitar stuff. But they're always at Japanese voltage, 100 volts. So you need a transformer. So far I haven't seen any toys that I ever want to purchase, sadly.
Pleasure Factory is now ready to buy hobby items and sports equipment. Do you have any plan to change your camera, musical instruments, figures, or sport equipment? If yes, our shop has well-trained staff to upgrade the price for you. Pleasure Factory about hobby items and sport equipment.
It's funny, they even sell liquor here. Back there, there's liquor bottles. And some toys. Alright, let's see what they've quoted out here on these bags and the camera. So the camera, they're gonna give me 1,500. Okay.
But this one return is stain.
Oh, there's a stain on this bag, so that's worthless. Yeah, and so this inside liner, they won't accept it as worn out. So sadly, those expensive bags are worthless now. But yeah, so you're gonna have to give some sort of identification, like your passport, and then you gotta fill out this thing.